Today we introduce two popular pathways: Turbotax, a DIY software solution, and hiring a professional accountant. Each option has its unique advantages and challenges, and our goal is to help you decide which fits your needs best. Filing taxes doesn't have to be stressful. With Turbotax, you get a streamlined, user-friendly experience that's perfect for those who like to take control. Alternatively, hiring an accountant offers personalized service, ideal for complex tax situations or those who prefer expert guidance. Throughout this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of each option, breaking down costs and benefits to ensure you make an informed choice. So, whether you're a first-time filer or a seasoned professional looking to optimize your tax strategy, stay tuned as we dive into the details. Let's embark on this journey together, paving the way for a more confident tax season. Whether you're a first-time filer or a seasoned professional looking to optimize your tax strategy, stay tuned as we dive into the details. Let's embark on this journey together, paving the way for a more confident tax season. For many Americans, tax season is synonymous with stress and anxiety. The thought of tackling deductions, credits, and countless forms can feel overwhelming. Imagine sitting at your desk, sifting through receipts and documents, trying to make sense of it all. It's a daunting task that often leaves beginners feeling lost and uncertain. The fear of making a mistake can add pressure, turning an already complicated process into a nightmare. But you're not alone. This is a common experience for many navigating the world of taxes for the first time. Understanding the key challenges, such as identifying eligible deductions and properly completing forms, is crucial. Recognizing these stress points is the first step in simplifying the process. In this video, we will explore two popular solutions: using Turbotax or hiring a professional accountant. Each option offers unique advantages to ease your tax filing journey. So let's dive in and discover which path might be right for you as we aim to make tax season less stressful and more manageable. Next, we'll explore how Turbotax can simplify the process for you. Welcome to the world of Turbotax, where filing your taxes becomes a breeze. Imagine a tax filing software designed with you in mind: simple, intuitive, and accessible. Turbotax stands out for its streamlined interface, making it perfect for those who prefer a do-it-yourself approach. With Turbotax, you're not just filling out forms, you're guided every step of the way. Whether you're a first-time filer or a seasoned pro, its ease of use ensures that you never feel lost in the process. Gone are the days of cumbersome paperwork and confusing jargon. Turbotax offers clarity with each click, empowering you to take control of your financial future. It's all about making tax filing less intimidating and more manageable, right from the comfort of your home. As we delve deeper, keep in mind the balance between convenience and personal touch. Turbotax simplifies the process, but is it the right fit for you? Stay tuned as we explore more options and help you make an informed decision that best suits your tax needs. Turbotax stands out as a cost-effective solution that guides you every step of the way. For those who are budget-conscious, Turbotax offers significant savings compared to hiring a professional accountant. Its user-friendly interface simplifies the complex tax filing process, making it accessible even for first-time filers. With Turbotax, you'll receive step-by-step guidance, ensuring that you file your taxes correctly and efficiently. Additionally, it seamlessly integrates with your financial accounts, saving you time by automatically importing your financial data. This integration reduces the likelihood of errors and helps ensure that no deduction is overlooked. Turbotax is designed to empower users with confidence in their tax filing, making it an ideal choice. While Turbotax has many advantages, it's essential to weigh these against potential drawbacks as you decide. In our next segment, we'll explore the limitations of using Turbotax and when hiring an accountant might be the better option. While Turbotax offers a streamlined experience for many, it isn't always the perfect fit, especially if you have complex tax needs. One of the main drawbacks is the limited personal interaction. When your financial situation involves multiple income streams or intricate deductions, you might find yourself needing more than just software prompts. Turbotax may lack the depth of personalized advice that can be crucial for navigating these complexities. Moreover, users with complex tax situations might require additional support to ensure accuracy and maximize their refunds. In such cases, the guidance of a professional can be invaluable. As you weigh your options, consider how these factors align with your personal tax situation. The next segment will explore how hiring an accountant could offer the personalized service and expertise you might need. Stay tuned as we dive into the benefits of choosing a professional accountant for your tax filing needs. When it comes to filing your taxes, there's another option to consider: hiring a professional accountant. While TurboTax is a great tool for many, hiring an accountant offers a personalized touch that software simply can't match. Imagine having an expert at your side, ready to navigate the complexities of your financial situation with tailored advice. This option is particularly beneficial for those who feel overwhelmed by the intricate details of tax deductions and credits, or those with complex financial portfolios. Accountants bring a wealth of knowledge and can provide insights specific to your circumstances, ensuring you're taking advantage of every opportunity to maximize your refund. They become partners in your financial journey, offering guidance that extends beyond just tax season. However, it's important to weigh this against the potential higher cost and the need to schedule meetings. If you're someone who values expert guidance and personalized service, hiring an accountant might be the solution you've been looking for. In our next segment, we'll explore the distinct advantages of having a professional accountant on your side, as well as some considerations to keep in mind. Hiring an accountant can be a game changer for your tax filing experience. With personalized advice tailored to your unique financial situation, accountants offer the expertise. They excel in handling complex tax situations, providing clarity where confusion often reigns. This personalized touch ensures that every potential deduction and credit is identified. When your tax situation involves intricate elements, like investments or multiple income sources, a professional accountant's insight can be invaluable in navigating these complexities. Their ability to navigate these complexities not only saves you time, but also enhances the accuracy. Moreover, accountants stay updated with ever-changing tax laws, offering advice that aligns. This proactive approach can lead to significant savings and peace of mind. While TurboTax offers a streamlined path for straightforward filings, an accountant provides a personalized, thorough approach for those who require deeper insights. As we continue, we'll explore the potential drawbacks of hiring an accountant. Stay tuned to find the best fit for your tax needs. While hiring an accountant can seem like the perfect solution for navigating the complexities of tax filing, it comes with its own set of challenges. One significant drawback is the cost. Accountants often charge more than DIY software like TurboTax, which could be a hurdle for individuals on a tight budget. Moreover, scheduling and availability can pose additional obstacles. Finding an accountant who can accommodate your timeline, especially during the busy tax season, might require planning well in advance. This can be inconvenient for those who prefer flexibility or need last-minute assistance. So while accountants offer personalized advice and expertise, these factors may deter some from choosing this path. In our next segment, we will delve deeper into a direct cost comparison between using TurboTax and hiring a professional accountant, helping you weigh the value of each option against your budget and needs. Stay tuned as we explore which choice could be more financially viable for you. Now, let's talk about the costs associated with TurboTax versus hiring an accountant. If you're budget conscious, TurboTax generally emerges as the more affordable option. Its straightforward pricing allows you to manage your finances without unexpected fees. However, what you gain in savings, you might miss in personalized service. Accountants, while typically more expensive, offer tailored advice and insights that can be invaluable, especially if your financial situation is complex. Consider this: TurboTax provides a do-it-yourself platform that's perfect for simple tax scenarios, offering a clear, guided experience at a lower cost. In contrast, an accountant can navigate intricate tax codes and potentially uncover deductions and credits you might overlook on your own. Ultimately, the choice boils down to your specific needs and preferences. Do you prioritize cost efficiency or personalized service? As we move forward, keep these considerations in mind as you weigh your options. Up next, we'll explore how to maximize your tax benefits regardless of the path you choose. Stay tuned for tips on deductions, credits, and avoiding common pitfalls. Navigating the world of taxes can be daunting, but understanding how to maximize your tax benefits is a game changer. Whether you're using TurboTax or partnering with an accountant, the key to a better refund lies in maximizing deductions and credits. Start by familiarizing yourself with the full range of deductions you qualify for, everything from education expenses to energy-efficient home improvements. Next, ensure you're claiming all eligible tax credits, such as the Earned Income Tax Credit or Child Tax Credit, which can significantly increase your refund. But even with these potential benefits, common mistakes can derail your efforts. Avoid errors like misreporting income or overlooking valuable deductions that could cost you dearly. Double-check your entries for accuracy and completeness. Remember, a little diligence goes a long way in securing the best outcome for your financial situation. By staying informed and vigilant, you'll be better prepared to maximize your refund and minimize stress. As we move forward, let's explore how to make the right choice between TurboTax and hiring an accountant, ensuring your tax filing journey is as smooth and beneficial as possible. As we reach the end of our journey through tax filing options, it's time to reflect on what matters most for your unique situation. Ultimately, the decision between TurboTax and hiring an accountant hinges on evaluating your personal needs, budget, and the complexity of your taxes. If you prefer a cost-effective DIY approach, TurboTax offers an intuitive platform perfect for straightforward tax situations. On the other hand, if your financial landscape is more complex or you value personalized advice, an accountant might provide the expertise you need. Carefully consider the intricacies of your tax situation and what you're willing to invest in terms of time and money. Remember, the choice is yours to make, based on what aligns best with your financial goals and peace of mind. Armed with this guidance, you're now equipped to make an informed decision that suits your needs. In our next segment, we'll recap the key points and offer actionable steps to ensure a smooth tax season. Stay tuned as we wrap up with essential reminders and our final call to action. As we wrap up our guide on filing taxes online, let's quickly recap the key points. We've explored the advantages and drawbacks of using TurboTax, a user-friendly and cost-effective option for those who prefer a DIY approach. It's perfect for straightforward tax situations, but may not suffice for complex needs requiring more personalized advice. On the other hand, hiring a professional accountant offers tailored service and expert guidance, making it ideal for handling intricate tax scenarios and potentially maximizing your refund. However, this option comes with higher costs and scheduling considerations. Ultimately, the choice between TurboTax and an accountant hinges on your specific needs, budget, and the complexity of your tax situation. Consider what aligns best with your circumstances to make an informed decision. Remember, whether you choose TurboTax or a professional accountant, the goal is to simplify your tax filing process while maximizing your deductions and credits. By avoiding common mistakes, you ensure the best possible outcome. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the tax filing landscape. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tax tips and tutorials. Empower yourself with knowledge and tackle your taxes with confidence.